Bireete, a female adult to reach 49 years, Yominyankole Kaikai, a lawyer, and a resident of Chiwango, Namwezi village.
Breaking news wetwogirira saawa zineno ebyomukulu Sarah Bireete ebyongeredde okubeera nga byononeka. His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi babimuyingizaamu batya ogenda kubeera nga obinyoka naye anytime from now agenda kubeera answerable. Video eno nyaga tujja obudde naddala gwe munankyukakyuka mbadde nkusaba gisharinge bw'omaze likinga omaze subscribinga wegatte ku mukutu gwaffe guno. This is just a developing story. Bingi nnyo byekyakuleetera ebikwatagana n'eno story. Omukyala ye agamba nedda ye abadde mugumu ne bamusiba emyaka 10 amanyi anti Nelson Mandela bamusibira emyaka 27 mukomera n'asobola okubeera nga avaayo. Tebasobola kuwangala emyaka gyonna abo ba dictator kye yagambye. Awo wenyini biki byamusibiza mbu yaguza abaana ba NUP information eya SCA. Kati wetwogera sawa zineno NUP emanyi buli mulonzi ali mu Uganda. Video yino soko gyerabireko.
Bireete, a female adult to reach 49 years, Yominyankole Kaikai, a lawyer, and a resident of Chiwango, Namwezi village, Bireete parish, Bomasa County, Mukono district. The statement of the offense is under obtaining or displacing personal data, compared to section 95, clause 1 and 2, the Data Protection and Privacy Act, Cap 97. Sarah Bireete and others still at large. Bireete has that between the month of January 2025 and December 2025 at various places within Uganda, including Kampala, Mukono, and Wakiso districts, you unlawfully obtain or disclose data to its national voters information, control the process by the Electoral Commission without prior consent of the said Electoral Commission. Have you understood the offense?
I want to tell you, President Museveni and your family, Uganda is not yours. Uganda is not your personal property. Uganda belongs to Ugandans. Uganda is ours, and we shall live, and it will stay. We come and go, but taking Uganda as your own personal property and taking everybody who believes in NRM as the only Ugandan, that is utter and total nonsense. And I will use that word. Really, God forgives me, because even God also in his words in the Bible, there are certain words he uses, and you think it's because, God can be an angry God, especially when you disturb. So when you see me angry for the good of Uganda, don't say I'm a sinner. I'm acting on behalf of God. I'm speaking on his behalf because he gave me a mouth like a sharpened sword, according to Jeremiah according to Isaiah chapter 49 verse 1 to 3. And let me tell you, the Bible tells us that righteousness and justice are the foundation of God's throne, and this country is built on the motto for God and my country. And whatever I'm saying them in the mighty name of God. Please, lady and your husband and your son and your family, please leave Uganda. It is not yours. It is not yours. And so you Ugandans, let me tell you, I praise the Lord because I have been here for a long time. Let me tell you,
yes.
If for instance, I don't want President Museveni to die at all, he's my brother. I want him to live, live LIV. And at the same time, I want him to live LEAV, leadership of this country, and hand it over to the right person. But let me tell you, I have been here.
Yes. You
should have been here when Amin left. Oh, the dancing that invaded Kampala. And shortly after that, when first when Obote left. Because Obote people were there, UPC. The moment he left, you should have seen the singing and the dancing and whatever that happened here. And then eventually, Amin goes. And Obote goes, oh, the dancing also was great. You see all these people dancing following President Museveni in Yero. If, for instance, he quit, and left like tomorrow. Oh, they are the very people who will invade the street of Kampala and Mbarara and dance and sing.
Alright, nga tubitadde ku mabbali ebya Bebe Cool byongedde ddala okubeera nga byononeka. Tamale mirundi Junior abiyingiddemu era bino byayogedde olunaku olwaliro. Video girabe nga tana subscribing.
Bebe Cool zirisi teyandibadde mbi naye ensobi yokka muganda wange mukulu wange Sali gye yakozeemu ziringa 3. Omuyimbi tasobola kuguledinga bayimbi banne. Ekibanga omwana ku ssomero tasobola kumaakinga bayizi banne. Kubanga ekisooka Bebe Cool akyayimba. Ekyokubiri tosobola kuguledinga bayimbi nga we bakoze omwaka ani asinze kubanga ebigendererwa byabwe lwaki bayimba oba tobitadde at the back of your mind. Tuyina abayimbi abayimba because it's a passion. Bakyagala kibalimu. Tuyina abayimbi abayimba okufuna sente. Tuyina abayimbi abakyayimba today because abawagizi baabwe tebabakkiriza kuwummula. One, Shiba takyayimba kufuna sente. Shiba takyayimba kumanyika. Waliwo Shiba yamalako omwaka mulamba nga taliiwo. But the day she came back, abawagizi be baaliwo patiently waiting. Kati oyo aba takyayimba kumanyika wabula aba ayimba kubanga abawagizi be bamwagala ayimbe ku mpaka. Kati Bebe wavaayo n'agrading abayimbi ffe abasoma statistics tubuuza kontinaamu kyoba method ki gye wakozesezza ofuna information yaani asinga. Because if abawagizi buli omu eriyo atusingira. Sege oyinza okugamba nti Break the Chain album yesinze omwaka guno nga bala bakigaana. Actually nze abayimbi banga ate abansingidde omwaka guno balala nnyo n'okusinziira ku babadde ku list yaki ya Bebe Cool. So Bebe ensobi yokka gye yakoze ate naye ne yeeteekamu. Okyekira tosobola kubanga gwe judge gwasala empaka gwagaba obubonero gwakola listi ate naye n'omaliriza nga weetaddemu ate n'ogenda okola ensobi ne weeteekamu nti gwasinze. It doesn't add up. Listi ya Bebe Cool yandibadde nnungi singa yaswallowinga his ego n'ateeteekamu. Abantu bayinza okuga maybe is fair naye buli wobanga gwe judge gwa accused gwe prosecutor ate gwe accuser, you can't be everything in your own case. Kitegeera mateeka ebagamba olondako kimu. Kati Bebe yakola listi yagaba obubonero yafuna information kwani asinga ne method gye yakozesa tetugimanyi coming out with that list. The reasons were not given. Is it valid? Why he specifically chose those artists? And to make matters worse, he put himself there. Then it loses the whole meaning of grading, of analyzing, of analytical data. Yabasoma statistics data analysis. It loses it. So that's all. But that was his opinion, Bebe Cool. Naye ke mmulekera akalowoozo Bebe Cool nga mutoowu olutalo lwone Kenzo luveemu. Terukukolera big size. Kenzo yajja, Kenzo ayina abawagizi be, Kenzo ayina abamwagala, ate naawe oyina abakwagala. Nze mbadde nsaba omwaka guno Bebe Cool ne Kenzo mwegatte. Kubanga ekisinga okunnuma muyina abawagizi bangi abagala Kenzo ate nga bagala Bebe Cool. So you are dividing your fan base. Tegeera mu music industry eri competitive